Well, my name is Greg Dahl. I'm the founder of Dahl Corp, which we have two companies underneath that umbrella, which is Fusion Flatworks, which is all of these finished products here, and then Oregon Burls, which is raw wood sales. My advice to anybody starting in woodworking, especially if you want to use epoxy and wood, is learn good sanding techniques. Learn how to move throughout the grits from 60 grit up to 1000 grit. Learn how to do that and you'll master sanding your pieces. Also, it is so crucial that you know your moisture content and what is acceptable and what isn't. So again, even sanding a wet piece of wood, you go through so much more paper and a lot of more wear and tear on your machine. So knowing your moisture content is crucial. If you're considering doing what I do, do your best at everything you do. It doesn't matter if it's wood or at the home or downtown. You have to get a mindset of I am going to do the best I can no matter what.